Firstly, to get SUI Airdrop, you must have a digital wallet. This wallet must support Ethereum and ERC20 tokens. Secondly, you must transfer at least $50 worth of Ethereum, ETH, into the wallet. Then, you must join the SUI Airdrop Telegram channel for information on how to get the airdrop. After that, you must register on the SUI website. You will have to fill in personal information like your name and email address. You will also be required to provide your Ethereum, ETH, wallet address. Once your registration is complete, you will gain access to SUI's airdrop program page. Here you can choose the airdrop program that suits you best. Once you have chosen the program, you will need to complete several tasks such as downloading the SUI app, joining their Telegram group, and following their social media accounts. When you have completed these tasks, follow the instructions in the airdrop program page for claiming your airdrop. After completing the requirement, you will be able to check the status of your airdrop within the app. To check the airdrop, you will need to use the SUI mobile application and enter the airdrop tab. Here you can view the list of airdrop programs and the amount of tokens that you are eligible to receive. When the airdrop is completed, you will be able to view the tokens issued in your wallet. The tokens that you receive from the airdrop are non-refundable and you are responsible for whatever value it may gain. There may also be certain terms and conditions associated with the airdrop, such as minimum amounts of ETH required in order to receive the tokens. It is important to check these terms and conditions before participating in the SUI airdrop. Finally, the tokens that you receive in your wallet are often tradable on crypto exchanges. Most exchanges allow you to trade tokens from the same wallet that you received the airdrop in. However, it is always important to research the exchange and understand the safety protocols before trading the token. Additionally, you should always be aware of relevant tax requirements as per your jurisdiction or residence. The process to get the SUI airdrop is quite simple, however, you must be aware of the risks involved. It is important to read and understand the terms and conditions before you participate in the airdrop. Make sure you understand the level of risk attached to different types of tokens and understand the wallet you are using. Always double-check the wallet address you are sending your Ethereum to, as a mistake could be irreversible. You must also keep all records of the transactions as a safety precaution.